Meaning of flyover.
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 Flyover. Flyover can have a few different meanings depending on the context, but one common interpretation is as a noun meaning a bridge or elevated roadway that allows traffic to pass over another roadway or obstacle. It can also be used as a verb, meaning to pass over something quickly without stopping. In both cases, the result is to allow for easier movement or flow of traffic and transportation. Flyovers are often used in large cities or areas with high levels of congestion to reduce traffic and improve travel efficiency.